this is my review on my Technic Unimog number you can get to the comment to see that this is a very big set. I got it for my birthday, and it's got a winch crane, a grabber, and yes. I'll show you the tray, the crane hook is at the front, and the grabber is air powered, and it's the wheel rims are grey. The wheel tires are very big. The wheels are very big. It's got 4 wheels. Now I'm gonna turn it on. And now I'm going to the keys. Now I'm going to check and spend my Let's change.